Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix no sound issue on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start the video. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button. And 10 to 20 seconds back. Wait. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is disable change with buttons. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on sounds and haptics. Change with buttons. Toggle off and turning toggle on. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is change mute switch. Mute switch off silent. Turn off silent button. And problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is turn off focus. Open the control center. Focus toggle on. And turning toggle off. And problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. First we tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all setting. Reset all setting. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Reset all setting to confirm this action. How to fix no sound issue on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.